US GDP came in stronger than expected. Jobless claims are lower than expected. On paper, this is bullish for the markets, but what we are seeing, Bitcoin is dumping. So if you can, please explain this to me in the comments. If not, I'll try to break this down for you in this video. Right now, purely the markets are not trading based on headlines. They're trading based on liquidity, positioning, and global flows. So let's start with the data first. The US GDP came in at 4.4%, beating the expectations of 4.3%. Jobless claims printed 200K, lower than the 209K estimate. This tells us two things. It tells us that the US economy is still growing. The labor market is still strong. In a normal environment, this would be risk on. Stocks up, crypto up, but the markets don't move in a straight line, and strong growth right now has a dark side. Here is the problem. First of all, the strong growth means that Fed has less urgency to cut rates in 2026, and when rate cuts get delayed, liquidity stays a little bit tight, the dollar stays strong, risk assets struggle. This is the mindset that a lot of people have when we see this news. Bitcoin doesn't care about today's GDP, it cares about future liquidity. So this sell-off isn't panic right now, it's just positioning, it's just people being cautious. And one important part that a lot of us are missing is that we have Japan. Japan is one of the leading power when it comes to global economy. The markets are basically waiting on Japan. Japan has the largest source of global liquidity for years. That's why everything feels a little bit stuck right now. No one wants to make big bets until Asia opens and Japan shows its hand in all of this. It's just a matter of time, and a little bit more clarity which will come in due time. And at the same time, what is holding crypto back is because we see commodities booming. Commodities are skyrocketing, silver and gold, and a lot of the capital goes into those and the mining stocks as well. And if we look just at this chart, silver versus Bitcoin, we have an over-evaluation signal. Silver has gone parabolic against Bitcoin, and historically, when silver becomes extremely overvalued relative to Bitcoin, it's not because silver is strong. It's because Bitcoin is temporarily suppressed. And yes, silver is actually strong because there is real demand, industrial demand for silver. And that's why where its value is hidden. But Bitcoin at the same time has been suppressed. And this divergence, of course, doesn't last forever. We'll see eventually silver cooling off, and Bitcoin violently catching up with that. And while most people are panicking because of what is happening right now in the markets, we on Discord, we are still making money, not small money. We bought silver when it was $60 and $65. I posted an alert on Discord. At the same time, in 24 hours yesterday, I posted another alert where you can see people in my Discord made 300%, 3-4x, and they made a lot of money with these calls, even though the market is crashing. Not by chasing pumps, but by trading structure, liquidity, and key levels, and also finding projects early enough to invest into those like hidden gems. And I spend a lot of time researching and finding such projects. And if you want to see what I'm buying, what I'm selling, exactly when and how I'm managing those opportunities, feel free to join Discord. You'll find it very valuable, and hopefully you can make a lot of money together with us. Even though the markets are crashing, we are finding those opportunities. So that's the good part about it, that crypto is full of opportunities. Never be too greedy, never regret. Learn and keep looking for the next opportunity. Now going back to Bitcoin. What is happening with Bitcoin, although we have those bullish news today? If we zoom out on Bitcoin's chart, it is still trading inside a clean ascending channel. And right now, price has pulled back into the lower channel support, where we see this clear order block. And that's a major demand zone. This is exactly where you want pullbacks to happen in a bullish trend, and this is where the best entries are. So as long as this zone holds, the structure is not broken, and we're going to see a continuation. This is the bullish case. We need to see Bitcoin holding this order block. We would get a reaction bounce from it, and we'll move back towards the 94-98k level, and of course this continuation within the channel. Again, of course, crypto is unpredictable, and we have a bearish risk as well. If price clearly breaks below this zone, the structure weakens, and the next liquidity target sits near the 85k level. And of course, this is not emotions, this is just important levels and indicators that we are looking at here. And these are the key ones. And especially coming close to the weekend, we might see, usually on the weekend, what happens is crypto dumps a little bit more. Hopefully we don't see a close below this channel. If we see that, then we might see further move to the downside. Keep your eyes on the technical analysis that is being posted on Discord, and also I do post that on the free Telegram channel, where you can also join for all the news, important news and technical analysis. So just be careful. Let's keep our eyes on this demand zone. We stay patient, we stay objective. If you found value in this video and all my content, please smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.